welcome back to my channel. It's your Brooder here.
Hey guys, we're back at looking. So I finally convinced my parents to buy the baby chicken. It's a lot of work and I really wanted it. I convinced my parents and finally they said okay. So we're gonna get right to it. I'll see you inside. They look so cute. So excited to have them, and they just look so cute. I want to pet them so bad. So I have a few questions that I'm gonna ask who works here. We have to ask all those questions before we buy them, and of course we have to know they are gonna get big.
Yeah, I'm out of those.
So guys, I made my decision. We're getting the chicks, and before we get them, I'll ask a few chickens. They look so cute. I'm gonna ask him a few questions after he picks up it's all of them up.
So they get moved? I promise they're all alive. They're just sleeping.
Oh yeah, I know.
Okay, now we're gonna take two of these with the white and
A white and a brown one? Yeah. Okay, I see one more white one up there. Chickens?
Yeah. I have a few questions.
Okay.
So how many weeks are they supposed to stay in the heat lamp?
I would give them probably at least another 8 weeks.
Okay, and how many weeks are they?
How many weeks are there? They're probably 2 to 3.
Okay, and all of these are they like light eggs?
Yes. Those are all females.
Thank you very much.
You are very welcome, sir. Enjoy your chickens.
Thank you very much. They're so cute.
Okay.
I cannot believe this. This feels exactly like a dream that it was not. I really have chickens. They look so cute. The chickens are inside. You can actually hear them chirping. They're so cute. I'm so excited to hear them. The only thing I'm worried about is this box, is they might just fall off at the end because there's a tiny holder, so that's the only worried about. But other than that, I'm so excited to open this when I get back. Okay guys, I have my chicks and I'm gonna go through of what we have. So this is a heat lamp actually. And this is the heat lamp holder actually. It's actually pluggable, so if you just put it inside and screw it on, that's it. And this is the water feeder. So it doesn't give food, it actually gives the water. And this is actually the water feeder, I think. And this right here, the bottle with the purple thing now, that is the feeder actually. That's one that produces food, not the water. This is the water. And we have their food. This is chick starter grower. That's the food we're gonna give them. And I'm gonna keep this inside the curtain. It's so heavy. And this thing is called pine shavings that they normally lay on. And lastly, finally, the chickens. We got at 6. I thought I was getting 2, but my parents surprised me with 6. And I'm so excited about the chicks. And a big shout out to my parents. They got all 6 chickens for me. And I'm so happy they did this. And so I'm taking my babies home. They're so cute. They're chirping. And this is so cute. I'm so happy. I never thought I would actually be getting one. So happy. I'm so excited now. I'm so happy. Kind of quiet, and all of them are acclimated right now. They're eating food. They're super cute. And of course, first we have to eat them to make their mother, like that makes their mother's warmth, the eggs.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button. Please hit that subscription button so you don't miss out